Hello my olives, welcome back to my channel. So I've got some parcels I just got from the postman. I thought I'd open them with you because I always forget to film my unboxing hauls. I love seeing, you know, the influencers that I love opening parcels and stuff, and the amount of parcels I get each week. I did a job with the Iconic. You might have seen the 70s styled outfits that I posted, and they also gave me store credit, so I got some pieces from the Iconic. Shipping is horrible at the moment in Sydney, like everything's delayed. Stuff that would usually come in one day is taking like 2 weeks. I got a few things from the Iconic, but they're all coming like separately. And I just got this cute Peter and Jane bag. I have this in black and the tan, and I just wanted it in white because I feel like I'll use this a lot in summer with the long strap it comes with. So yeah, it comes with that crossbody strap. That's the style of bag I've just been loving. Like, I just feel like it's very in and it just goes with all my outfits. And now I have a white one for summer as it's starting to get warmer here. It's actually spring now. Yes! I'm so sick of winter. I'm sick of being freezing all the time. But yeah, that's just a cute little faux leather bag with gold detailing. This one I'm pretty sure is hair extensions, which is exciting. Yeah, so it's hair extensions from Briogeo, and you may have seen me wear the really long curly hair extensions. They are clip-in ones that I got from Briogeo last year, I think, and they've sent me a different length. So that's what they look like in the packaging. And my hair's a bit fuzzy, so I might just clip them in and see what they look like, but my hair isn't on point today, so they might not like blend in well. I am the color dark brown, so these are the next length up. So last time I got the 22 inch and these are the 18, I think. The 18 inch dark brown 220 gram set, and they sent me 2 sets, which is really kind of them. And then it comes with a nice little bag to keep them in. This last parcel, I'm not sure if I can actually show you the products because I don't know if they're out yet, but I'm working with MCO Beauty on some content, and this is from them. So yeah, I'll be posting a reel about these on Instagram. On a side note, I've been watching Clickbait on Netflix. It's pretty good. It's like a crime mystery drama series, and it's so far so good. I'm up to episode 4, so let me know if you're watching it. But yeah, we're still in lockdown. It's been over 2 months now, so the only place I've gone to is the grocery store. And obviously that's played a lot on my motivation for YouTube, and this morning I was just watching old vlogs and it just made me really motivated to start vlogging again, because vlogging was the first thing that I wanted to do when I started on social media, and yeah, YouTube was just my dream job, and I really want to kind of keep being consistent on here, and just because I feel like it's a kind of different connection that you make with your audience on YouTube compared to Instagram and TikTok. I feel like you can just see more of my everyday personal life, and I just have a love for editing videos, so I need to do this more. Anyway, I'll be back soon. Hey guys, it's a little later in the day. I ended up brushing my hair back because the curls were just no good, and I put the extensions in but they didn't work because my hair wasn't defined enough, so it just looked funny, like they didn't match well. But I'll be sure to post when I put the curly extensions in. I've got this stunning dress on from Meshki. I love it so much. It's so flattering. I'll show you the back. So the back goes really low. I don't know if I tied it right, but that's how I tied it. And I love the material. I actually have 2 weddings next year, and I feel like this is a really nice wedding dress, but I don't know if it'll be warm enough to wear this, and I don't know if it's too sexy for a wedding. Let me know. Let me know if you think this is a good dress for a wedding. But yeah, I've got a pony extension in, and I was taking photos in this dress, but I want to take this, shoot this dress when my hair's curly, because I think, yeah, that will just be better. Curly hair for the win! I haven't even eaten lunch, and it's like 2:30 or 3, so I better eat something. Hello everyone, it's time for another wash day. I just washed my curls. Before I style them, I'm just going to do my skincare. In the shower, this is the product that I always keep in the shower, the Genora Oh My Days cleanser. And then the Ulla Henriksen Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. Fabian uses these as well. Love them. We've already gone through, this is the second bottle, it's nearly empty, so we use that one a lot. I feel like it just really exfoliates your face really nicely, keeps your skin clear. Not sponsored, but I did do jobs with both those brands earlier in the year, and I genuinely use them every day. I'm gonna do some serum. This is the Genora Age Defying Daily Serum. That bottle's nearly empty as well. I always like drag it down to my neck as well. I should take my rings off. I am so excited. I got sent the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream for an upcoming job, and I've seen this cream everywhere on TikTok, Instagram. Yeah, everyone raves about this moisturizer. So this is the very first time trying it. Smells very light. It doesn't have a strong fragrance. Excuse the rash on my forehead. It just glides onto the skin really nicely. It's nice and light. I'm definitely going to be using this more throughout the week and seeing if it gives me some different results. I'm going to use the Frank Body Brightening Eye Serum for under my eyes. And as always, some Ultraviolet Queen Screen SPF 50. On to Kel's, I'm going to try use products that I haven't used on a vlog for a while. This is the Briogeo Curl Charisma Quail Custard. So we're going to use this as a leave-in today. Then for gel, I'm going to use the So Defined Vitamin C Curl Defining Jelly from Kel's. This one has a really strong smell. It smells like pineapple lollies. It's yum. Then I'm just going to use a comb and part my hair. I don't do it dead in the middle, I do it slightly to the left. And then as always, going in with the Demon brush. First I'm just going through and detangling my whole head. And then you want to scrunch. And then just defining the front bits. Alright, so the curls are all styled. I'll get back to you when they're dry. Hey guys, my hair turned out pretty good. I've been touching it a lot throughout the day for different outfits and stuff. I wanted to show you this outfit from Dish. This skirt is like so flowy, it's such a nice fabric. Such a cute set. I love Dish so much. They have the nicest summer pieces. They always make me so excited for summer. But yeah, I think I put a tad too much product in my hair. It was like a bit, just like a bit moist even when it was completely dry, like there was just too much product. But I just had leftover spaghetti bolognese for lunch, and now I'm gonna feed Fiona her lunch, and I will open some parcels that I got. I did that painting, by the way, for this particular spot in the house. It's the latest one that I've done. Alrighty, I just got like 5 parcels. This first one is from Mossman Clothing. This is an Australian boutique. I only recently discovered them. I think it was earlier this year, but their stuff is really nice. Super high quality. I feel like they have great pieces if you're like going to a fancy dinner, or in my case, I wore their outfits to when I went to runway shows earlier for Fashion Week. Dear Olivia, we hope you love your new Mossman pieces from our latest collection. Looking forward to seeing how you style them. Thank you, Connie. Alright, so I have this top in white, I think, but it's like a high neck, classy little top. And then they sent me the matching blue pants. Ooh, we've also got this cool mesh top, which would go with the blue pants as well. Very cool. And I believe this is a dress, so it's like a black blazer dress, but it's got like cutouts on the side. I think that's so cool. I love blazers. I feel like I don't wear them enough. Keep an eye out on my Instagram because I will post how I style those. This one is from Petal and Pup. A very unnecessary purchase. I just loved these pieces. It's going to get warm soon, hopefully. I looked at the weather and it's still going to be cold for the next 2 weeks. But I got excited for warmer weather and I saw these two cute pieces that were on sale. This is just a little summer dress. I love wearing yellow. and I love gingham print and short flowy dresses like this. Yeah, I thought that was cute, and I love things you can just chuck on and they're flowy. It doesn't matter if you're bloated or feeling like gross, this will make you look pretty and cute. This one is a knitted play suit, which I thought was cool. I hope it fits alright. It's also got like a cutout on the back, but I also liked this green color, and I just thought with some sandals, if it's like not hot, not cold, that kind of weather, I thought that'd be good for spring. Next up is more clothes. Don't judge me. This is a parcel from Princess Polly, and I can't remember what I actually ordered. I got these cute tan platform thongs. Cute, they fit very well. Okay, so I got some of their organic cotton pieces. I just wanted some basics for spring, and I wanted nice thick ones where I don't have to wear a bra. What?
Hello. I like your lipstick. It's a nice colour.
Thank you.
Okay, cool.
So I'm gonna need to do a big closet clean out soon so I can fit all this new stuff. We've also got just a plain black t-shirt. I have the white one of this, the same style and everything from Princess Polly, and I wear the white one so much, so I wanted to get the black version. It's not super stretchy, it's got a little stretch. So this is exactly like the tank top, but a long mini dress, and I thought this was such a good staple to have as well. You can put whatever shirts you want over it when it's not super hot. So yeah, I'm excited to try this on. And then this is the same material again, but this is a maxi skirt, and I like how the hips kind of dip downwards. I thought that was another great basic staple to have. You could pair it with any top, with button-up shirts. It's also got slits on the sides, and then with some cute platform sandals. I've been wanting to get some more graphic tees, so I picked up this Looney Tunes t-shirt, which I thought was cute, under overalls or with some funky pants. I just thought that spices up an outfit a bit, gives you a bit of color and character. So yeah, that's the print there. And then again, it's their cotton fabric. I got this t-shirt dress. I just thought it's another great piece for layering, and I just imagine wearing like a crossover bag, you know, my Peter and Jane bag. You can really spice up a plain item like this. And I think early in the video I said I got stuff from the Iconic, and then these jeans came today. So I got Levi's 501s, and I'm not sure if these are gonna fit. I got the 25 by 30s. I just think everyone has to have a pair of Levi's. They're such a staple, and I also got them because I'm going to recreate a certain celebrity's outfit, and I had the same jumper, so I was like, I'll get similar jeans. Alright, so the waist fits, but the thighs do not. So I might need to change these for the next size up, but then they're going to be kind of loose on the waist. But yeah, I can't bend my legs. They're really cute though. I tried this playsuit on and I love it. It's a great length, not too short, really comfy. It's nice and breezy, but also warm at the same time. They also have it in white and beige, I think. So I was supposed to go do a workout now. It's 4 o'clock, but I want to film a specific YouTube video that has been highly requested for you guys. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll see you later. I'm just editing this vlog and forgot to film an outro, so I just want to say thank you so much for tuning into this vlog. Vlogging my days is actually helping me feel like I have my life more together. I don't know, it's kind of therapeutic, and just it feels good to be more productive and active on my channel. So let me know if you like these vlogs, and please let me know what videos you want to see next. I've got a curly hairstyles video coming if it's not already up, but make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!